What's up, everybody? I'm trying to show my 1979 Corvette. I'm putting it up for sale on Craigslist. I'll put the link to the Craigslist ad down in the bio below this. But I'm just trying to sell this thing, get out the good word. So this is my 1979 Corvette. This is a Corvette Light Blue. This color was only made for 2 years, 1978, 1979. I think they made like 1,700 of these in 1978 and then 1,900 in 1979. So this is an exclusive color that only came out for 2 years in the entire Corvette history. Some little stuff that I've done to the exterior, not too much work. I got brand new radial GT tires with the white raised letters. The rims on these are original. As you can see, they're a little dirty. I've tried to clean them up as best I could. All new Corvette logos all the way around. So it's one on each side. On the front fenders, one on the nose, brand new. Then obviously one on the gas cap. I got the gas cap back there. All new covers on all the back of lights, time appropriate covers. All new Corvette symbol. It used to have an old dealership logo back there. I took off. I'm still trying to get off those things. A lot of that plastic. See in the back there, original windows. All 4 windows are original, so you have the original window with the electric defrosters back there. All 4 windows are original. I'm gonna hop in, start it up for y'all. All new interior, door panels, brand new door panels, brand new leather seats, brand new carpet all the way through. So not just down in the floors, but all in the back, brand new carpets. Obviously the stuff like the battery and stuff is inside there. This pulls out back here, so you can cover that up, so like in case you get your luggage in the back, things like that. Brand new everything, as you can see. Light works up top, simple stuff like that, all the way through. All right, get this started for y'all. Brand new steering wheel, obviously. Remember, with one of these old cars, these are not carbureted, or they are carbureted. So give it a couple pumps first. Starts right up. Car looks good inside, outside. Brand new leather seats, brand new genuine leather door handles, door pulls, reinstalled. Power windows. You don't get that with a lot. Power windows, power locks. Locks work. Windows on the other side work. And obviously, so definitely getting a good deal when it comes to this vehicle. It's an awesome vehicle. It's a nice little toy. So please visit my Craigslist link if you're interested, and have a wonderful day. Thank you.